Hi everyone, in today's video we will solve this program which is in C programming. So the output of this program is it will print this message only one time. I will explain you why it will print one time, but before that let's try compilation and running this program on Linux operating system we will use GCC compiler, and you will also learn how to use VI editor. So let me first copy this program from here because I do not want to type it, and then I will open my Linux machine. I'm accessing my Linux machine using mobile external SSH client. You can also make use of PuTTY, and so for that let me first create a directory. I'm creating directory so that I can separate my programs, and I will create a file main.c using VI editor, and inside this, once I hit enter, it will open a blank file. Now to start typing or writing I have to press I. That means I will go into insert mode. After that I can type here anything, or if I want to paste I will just do right click. So this I had already copied from the website, so I'll do OK. Before running, let me include the header file because in the question header file is not included. So this is done. Now let's run this. So as I said, this will print only one time. So to make sure, let's compile this. I'll press escape. I'll press escape, shift colon WQ. And so my file is ready. I'll compile it using GCC, then file name. If I want to specify the binary name, any name, it can be any name, I will make use of -o flag. And I have been talking about this since my first video. I'll hit enter. Now I don't see any warning, any error. So to make sure this binary is generated or not, I'll just check the content of this directory. I can make use of dir command. Using dir I can see all the file in the present directory. I see there's a file main.out. This is the binary file, and if I want to make sure whether this is binary file or something else, I can make use of file command, and I'll say main.out. And so here you see this is so let me explain you a couple of things about this output. So this is 64-bit binary, and or we can call it executable, and so this is 64-bit because we use the 64-bit GCC compiler. If you want to compile this using 32-bit compiler, then you can make use of -m32 flag, and about that flag I have already created a video in past, so you can go through that. So now it's time to run this binary file. How can I run? By doing like // then binary name. I'll see it is printing. However, it is printing on the same line. I can split this. I can split this by doing /n, and let's compile it one more time. So you see this, as I said earlier, it is printing one time only. So let's go back to the file, and let me enable the line number by using set nu. And you see there at line number 5 I am initializing a with 0. But let's see, let's see, like let's focus and check what is happening at line number 6. So what will happen when this while loop run first time? We are using a++. We are increasing the value of a, but when it is a++, when it is post increment operator, it will be evaluated first, then it is incremented. So when I say evaluated first, that means the value will remain a at this place, and 0 we are comparing with 5 minus. Now here is the important thing. So after seeing this statement, the value of a is already increased. So now the value of a is 1, and again we have a ++a pre-increment, so a value will become 2 here, so it will be 2. So this will resolve to is 0 less than 3. That is true. This is true. It means this condition is true. That's why it will come here. It will print this message here. Now after this, after printing, it will go back to the while condition again. So second time what will happen is, let me add this in comment. second time what will happen, I will press comma. The value of a was 2 last time. The value of a is 2 last time. So here this is a plus plus. Here it will be evaluated first and then incremented. So the value of a will remain 2 only. Now I am saying, now after seeing this, after this block or after this less than operator, the value of a become 3. The value become 3, and then again I have plus plus a. That means it will be 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4. So it will result to 2 less than 2. 2 less than 2 is condition false. That's why this message will not be printed here, and it will come here, return 0 from here. So that's why this is a reason this message will be printed only once. So you can play around with this program. You can try compiling this program on Windows using dev C++ or Visual Studio or any other compiler, and see how it behaves. So this is what I wanted to explain in this video. I'll save this file and come out of this. So thanks for watching it, and if you have any doubt, you can add your comment in the comment box.